Superior quality craftsmanship with weather-resistant seal, diamond knurl design, and anodized inside and out for improved corrosion resistance. Compact design renowned for its quality, durability, and reliability. Made in America and built tough enough to last a lifetime, making it suitable for camping, car repairs, climbing, dog walking, fishing, household use, hunting, etc. Includes a spare lamp safely secured in the tail cap and converts quickly into freestanding candle mode, for convenient, hands-free light whenever you need it. Adjustable and powerful lighting instrument that makes a useful gift and fits perfectly into pockets, purses, attaché cases, etc. Top reviews from the United States. Just like advertised, genuine MagLite M2A flashlights. I ordered and received 3 MagLite M2A mini MagLites, with the original xenon bulb and spare in the tail cap. I opened one, installed the batteries with a good until 2028 date, and it works perfectly. I have had MagLite products for decades, and recently lost my to a mini MagLite, which I have had for decades. These are the genuine article. Bulb life is relative to use and not noticing the head rotated in my night eyes tool pouch, so that's life. The genuine MagLite replacement xenon bulbs, sometimes they'll do last as the original installation bulbs. That, too, seems to be life. All in all, I am perfectly satisfied with my lights.